Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Carquest. My name is Bhupinder, and guys, today I have the Hyundai Exter's S optional variant. So we are going to cover this variant in this video, so stay tuned. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification first, and also visit our website, which is carquestindia.com. Now let's start with the variant of Exter. The variant starts from the EX, which is the base variant, then EX optional, then S optional this variant, then SX optional, and SX optional Connect. If you are planning to buy S variant, in that case also you can watch this video because in S and S optional there is difference of only 3 features. That too we will explain in this video. Now the color option. So this is the white color. Other than that, you will get a gray color, red color, starry night color, ranger khaki color, and cosmic blue color. So all these 6 color options are available. In the upper variant, you can also opt the dual color options. So that was all about the variant and the color options. Now let's see what features we get in the Exter. Now let's check out the front. And the width of this Exter is 1710 mm, and there is this Hyundai logo given on the bonnet. Down there you will see this Exter, and the design from the front looks quite nice, and this looks more beautiful because of these new type H-shaped DRLs which is available in this variant also. Down there you will get a normal halogen headlamp, and look at this glossy black finish here on the front. Nice, amazing look from the front. Now let's check out the car from the side. As we all know that this is a mini SUV or micro SUV, you can say anything, and the length of this car is 3815 mm. The tire size given with this variant is of 14 inches rim with this full wheel cover, and there is this wheel arc rough black finish given all around the car. The indicator is given on the fender. The ORVMs are body color ORVMs, and these ORVMs are the electrically adjustable ORVMs. All 4 door handles are also the body color, and the fuel tank capacity of Hyundai Exter is 37 liters. So there is this glossy black finish given here on the C pillar also. From the rear you'll see this is amazing. Again, this H-shape LED tail lights given there looks quite beautiful. Up there you'll get a simple antenna here, and there is this small integrated spoiler, high mount stop lamp, and there is no defogger wiper given with this variant. Down there you will get the 2 parking sensors with the S optional. Now let's open the boot. Nice, there is the partial tray also given, and the boot space is 391 liters, which is quite sufficient. Now let's check the spare wheel. So spare wheel size is the same, which is of 14 inches, and in this bag there is the toolkit placed here. So this is nice. There is no illumination for the night usage. Now let's enter and check the comfort at the rear seat, but before that, the rear door trim. So there is the black color used for the whole door, and there is the rear parking windows control. Down there you will get this bottle holder. Now let's enter. Nice. So there is good leg room because the wheelbase of Exter is 2450 mm, and there is good thigh support also, and also the headroom I'm having is quite nice. This is good, and there are 2 headrests, and both the headrests are the adjustable headrests, and there are the seat belts for all 3 passengers, and these seat belts are the 3-pointed seat belts. Nice. So the space is quite nice, and there is the rear AC vents for the rear passenger, and down there you will get a 12-volt charging socket also. Now let's go to the driver seat, but before that let's check out the driver door trim. Again, the driver door trim is also of the black color. There are the controller for the all 4 power windows, and this button is to lock and unlock the all 4 doors, and this is the controller for the ORVMs. Now the driver seat is the height adjustable seat. Let me check the comfort on the driver seats. So there is good thigh support here at the driver seat, and there are the controllers on the steering. So to the right there is the controller for this DIS. Let me show you the driver display. See, this digital driver display is given there with the Exter, and to the right there is the RPM meter, and this side is the digital speedometer. And as this is the S optional, so the difference is that there is this traction on off button given here, so you will not get this button in the normal S variant. Now again to the steering wheel controls. So to the left there is the controller for this 8 inches touchscreen music system, which has the wired Android Auto, Apple CarPlay also. Down there you'll get this manual AC unit, and there is the 12-volt charging socket, A type and C type charging socket also available here, and there is some space, you can put your stuff here. This vehicle as optional is only and only available with the 5-speed manual transmission, but with the S variant, if you'll buy the S variant only, then you can opt a AMT also, and you can also opt a CNG manual transmission option also. Now the dashboard, so the dashboard is quite nice. So this is of black and this gray color. There is the tri-arrow pattern given here like the Tata cars, and there is again some space here so the co-driver can use it. And now the glove box, so the glove box size is quite good, this is better. Up there you'll get the manual day night adjustable IRVM, and up there is the single cabin light which is for the whole cabin. So that was all about the interior and the space of the Hyundai Exter S optional variant. Now let's go out and talk about the safety feature, engine specification and the pricing of this car. Now let's talk about the safety features of Hyundai Exter. So the best thing is that Hyundai has given the 6 airbags as standard in all the trims. Other than that, you will get the ABS, EBD, reverse parking sensors, and in the optional variant, so this is a optional variant, there you get 3 extra safety features, which are the traction control, vehicle stability management, and the hill hold assist. Now the engine options. So Exter has 1.2 liter 4-cylinder engine which produces the power of 83 PS and torque of 113.8 Newton meter. If you will drive this same engine with the CNG, the power figures will be different. Then the same engine will produce the power of 69 PS and torque of 95.2 Newton meter. The warranty we get with the Hyundai Exter is 3 years or unlimited kilometers. Now the pricing, so you can see all the prices of all the variants on the screen, and all these prices are the ex-showroom prices. The ex-showroom price for the S variant of Hyundai Exter is 7,27,000 rupees, and if you want the S optional, which has the 3 extra safety features, you'll have to pay 15,000 rupees extra. Then the ex-showroom price for S optional is 7,42,000 rupees, and all these prices are the ex-showroom prices. You can calculate the on-road price as per the registration tax in your state or in your city. So that was our video about this S optional Hyundai Exter. If you like this video, please share this video and also subscribe to our channel, and also comment and tell us if you will spend 15,000 extra for these 3 safety features in the S optional. Now we will see you in another video. Take care, bye bye, Jai Hind.